What is the role of statistical agencies in data-centric societies? How do they adapt to a dynamic and ever-changing environment? In a world moving faster than ever, citizens need timely, relevant, and quality information from a source they can trust without being overburdened. That's where we come in. We are the high-level group for the modernization of official statistics. Guided by the Conference of European Statisticians, we are a network for leaders of statistical agencies, a place to collaborate on the global modernization agenda. We originate from the UNECE, that's the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe, which represents Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. But our work is shared with all. Our groups are open to all, and our network is global. Statistical agencies are facing new challenges, a rapidly evolving environment, new channels, increasing costs and difficulty acquiring data, competition for skilled resources, changing expectations of citizens vis-à-vis data, need for new standards for the management of digital information, new ethical questions. These problems might just be too big for a single organization to handle on its own. That's where we come in. Collaboration is key. We coordinate global efforts to modernize statistics by providing experts with a venue to develop strategies and solutions. Our mission is to work collaboratively to identify trends, risks and opportunities, as well as to provide a common platform to develop solutions. Work is carried out by 4 modernization groups, supporting standards, sharing tools, capability and communication group, Blue Skies Thinking Network. What's ahead for these 4 groups? The supporting standards group looks for ways to develop, enhance, integrate, promote, support, and facilitate implementation of the range of standards needed for statistical modernization. In 2019, the group finalized a review of the generic activity model for statistical organizations, the generic statistical business process model, and the generic statistical information model. In 2020, the group will continue to consolidate materials and practical examples to better communicate the models. The Sharing Tools Group works to digitize the Common Statistical Production Architecture document to promote sharing of services, provide practical technical assistance to those implementing the CSPA. It also undertakes the organization of the Modern Stats World Workshop and adds CSPA services to the catalog. Moving forward, the group will continue helping organizations to share services, supporting and encouraging practical implementation of the CSPA. This is the blueprint for statistical organizations, which makes sharing easy. New services will continuously be added to the CSPA service catalog. The Capability and Communication Group focuses its efforts on change management, building organizational frameworks for collaboration, building competencies, and communicating modernization. In the coming year, the group will continue to focus on emerging issues in human resource management in statistical offices and will organize a workshop to share innovative practices in human resource management and training for statistical organizations. The Blue Skies Thinking Network is the ideas factory for the statistical modernization community. Its reports provide an environmental scan on selected topics. These brief papers answer 4 key questions. What is the topic? What is the value for official statistics? What is already being done? And what are the opportunities for further collaboration? The Blue Skies Thinking Network will continue to consider new and emerging topics. The network also develops and evaluates project proposals for the Modernization Work Program for the following year. An example of a project suggested by the Blue Skies Thinking Network was to use machine learning, the science of getting computers to automatically learn from experience instead of relying on explicitly programmed rules and generalize the acquired knowledge to new settings. We connect colleagues from 100 different organizations, and over 750 experts participated in our activities in 2019. Stuck in the past? We don't think so. Together, through our joint efforts, we are moving our statistical community into the future. You can count on it.